it glow? Blue. Blue.
Yeah, I see it. Okay, put the other one on the track. Uh-oh, that crashed. Better fix them.
Where's Reese sleeping?
In his bed. Put that back on the track, Reese. Put the ambulance on the track, too. Yep, put them on. There you go. Yeah, they're racing. You know, I think that police car is getting slow again. I think maybe now he needs a new battery. Yeah, the police car. Because the other one caught up with him. Does that one need a new battery too? I know, but uh-oh. There it goes. Uh-oh.
I'll put this
That one's
one.
escaping too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, the ambulance is pushing the police car.
Alright, you get your ambulance, Reese.
Yeah, he crashed in the vacuum again.
Still not glowing.
The track doesn't. Uh-oh. Knocked him right off. Knocked him right off the track. Here he comes. They're racing, yep. Uh-oh. You crashed to the same place?
Mommy,
What?
can we stay up till 10 again?
I don't know. We'll see how everybody's doing. Oh.